These testing times are very difficult to sustain. How long we don't know, but this has been a very deadly second wave. Every day patient load is coming up. It's been very difficult to handle this, and particularly with respect to oxygen, the drugs, and the number of beds. We have converted the entire hospital into oxygen beds, and we retrained our nursing staff, our non-medical staff. Last year, we have treated around 7,000 patients, but this year, within a span of a month, we have already treated 5,000 patients, of which 1,700 were inpatients, and almost 2,500 to 3,500 were outpatients. And we've been following those patients even in isolation. Presently, entire 250 beds are occupied, and every patient needs continuous oxygen. We never seen such consumption of oxygen ever. So this has been taking toll on all the patients and as well as the healthcare professionals. We're almost 450 of us, medical and non-medical, working round the clock, and we don't know what time we come and what time we go. And this has been taking toll on our both physical and mental health. Without adequate oxygen supply and of course safety material for our professionals who've been working here, it will be difficult to treat patients efficiently. So that will be the drawback. So we desperately need those. Our community needs us more than ever now, and we need you. This pandemic is not over until everybody is safe. So please join hands with us. Let the humanity win.